Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Good morning everyone. Kakaland ko lang po sa Davao, and it is anong oras ba? It's almost 11 a.m. and we're on our way to our hotel. Ayan, kakalanding ko lang po sa Davao. Nandito na kami sa kotse, and we're on our way to meet with some of our friends in Davao. Attorney Bobet Torion included, and si Sir Brian. Hindi ko na muna siya banggitin sa inyo, ha. But we are here here in our favorite place in the Philippines, ang Davao, the last remaining bastion of lawful society. Kaya po ako nandito, aside from the Rage Coalition, is to meet with some people who have very high ideals for our nation, no? Non-political, and ito mga kababayan natin who just want to know kung paano natin masusurvive ang next 2 years na without politics overtaking reason, no? So kaya po magandang magpunta sa Davao minsan at mapaalala sa sarili na how well a city can be organized, and how proper public officials can be, no? So kailangan po talaga ilagay natin ang gobyerno palagi. Hindi naman to criticism sa administrasyon natin ngayon, no? Kailangan lang ilagay lagi sa kamay ng tamang tao ang kapangyarihan. Ayan. Okay, so mamaya sa mga taga Davao at sa mga pupuntang Davao o kakadating lang sa Davao, the Rage Coalition, I think, is in the Davao Convention Center. So it will be very interesting to see kung ano po ang mga bago na mga pronouncements na gagawin ng ating mga thought leaders, no? And political leaders. Also, marami rin siguro ngayon na topics na pag-uusapan tungkol naman sa sa arrest or impending arrest of Senator Bato, and the threats to arrest other individuals such as Senator Bongo, which is really bordering on absurd. No, it's absurd. No? It's absurd na pati sila Bongo dinadamay, and then they're planning to file or revive old cases against other senators from the majority, no? So it's been a crazy few weeks, no? And hindi na natin alam kung ano ang mangyayari, kung masusunod ba ang tama o hindi, ano? So sana na lang hindi naman magkagulo-gulo ang ating bansa. So anyway, I'll see you later at the Davao Convention Center. Nag-short announcement lang po ako, at sa mga kritiko, I am glad you're criticizing. That's good, free speech and all that. Sana po bago ninyo pagpestahan ang mga side namin, no? Sana po alamin po ninyo yung aming mga counter arguments bago po tayo binabato ng putik. Alamin po ninyo lahat ng sides, and then you make an educated decision on the merits of our arguments, no? Bukas din po lalabas yung order ng Supreme Court regarding the TRO So magdasal po tayo that the order is hindi po decision ang tawag doon ng order or parang resolution yata, but it's not a decision kasi decision is for the merits, no? But as to yung decision ba kumbaga on the TRO, it has nothing to do with the validity of the ICC warrant, no? It's just about the propriety of issuing a TRO or not. So doon po nalilito ang maraming tao, no? So anyway, I think we are here sa aming destination. Magpapaalam na po ako. See you later. At wala pong bibitaw. Huwag po kayong mag-alala sa akin at sa mga kakampi ko. Kasama po yan sa politika. Here in this beautiful city, to be reminded of how well a leader can be loved and how well a city can be run. Bye.